Thank you for joining, and this is the third video of our SolidWorks quick start guide. So this is the third video in which we are gonna made our first SolidWorks CAD drawing. So right now I have a part here. So if you want to make your SolidWorks drawing, so you can make your drawing from a SolidWorks assembly as well, or you can make your drawing from a part as well. So right now we have a part here, so I want to make a SolidWorks drawing by using this part. So for that, what I can do is like I can go here into the file section, and then you can see there is an option like you can make drawing from the part. I can click on that, and then again it's gonna ask me like if do you have any custom templates, so you can choose your templates. And if you don't have any templates, so what you can do is you can go into noise, and then you can go with the default template. So this default template, I'm going to select this drawing here, and then I'm going to click OK. So in this way I'm going to go with the default templates. So whenever you are move into the SolidWorks drawing, so you would see such kind of pop-up there. So you need to choose the sheet size. What kind of sheet size do you want to choose? So like it's a A1, A2, A3, A4. I want to go with the A3. Or if you have some customized drawing, so you can browse and you can bring your customized sheets as well. Or if you want to change the customized sheet size, so you can go here into the customized sheet size, and then you can change your size as you want. So I am okay with this, so I'm gonna click OK. So this is my first drawing. So right now, as I started this drawing from the part, so that's why automatically I have my views of my parts on the right side of this drawing. So if you can see like, do you want to bring the front view, top view, right view, back, left, bottom, isometric, and multiple views. So what you need to do is you just need to drag these views onto your drawing. So right now I just want to bring this front view here. And then you can see like as soon as I am just leaving my front view here, and if I would bring my mouse onto the right side or on diagonal or on top, so you can see there are some other projection views it's gonna automatically offering me. So right now this was my front view, so this is my right view. And if I want to have an isometric view, so I can have isometric view here. And if I want to have a top view here, so because this is exactly projection of this, so I can insert my view here as well. Or if you want to go into opposite diagonal or left or bottom, so you can have different kind of views as well. But normally what we prefer is we just draw our front view, right view, top view, and isometric view. So right now still my command is on. So if you want to exit, so you can press escape on your keyboard. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. Okay, so like we bring our front view first, and these are the projection of front view. So as soon as I'm gonna move my front view, so you can see top view and right view is also moving with respect to front view, as you can see, but not the isometric view. And another thing is like if I want to change the display style of my front view, suppose I want to change, so automatically these projections also gonna change. Suppose I want to bring like this. So because those are the projections, so that's why they are going to change. So or another option is like if you want to change individually, like suppose I want to change the display for individually for my isometric view, so what I can do is I can select this view, and then I can go into the feature manager into the display style, and I can change the display style of my isometric view like this. Okay, in the drawing, the most important part is we just need to insert our views here from our part. So we already inserted, and the next important thing is we need to give dimensions to our drawings. So what I can do is first I would like to bring it down a bit here, and let's move it a bit down. And then I'm gonna go here into the ribbon section, and then into the annotations. You can see into the tabs and into the annotation, and then you can see there is an option for small dimensions. I'm gonna go into the small dimensions, and then I am gonna scroll my middle button of my mouse. So that's why I'm zooming. And then what I can do is I can just give dimensions from here to here. It's 50.8. Whatever the dimensions are based on the part, so automatically these dimensions are gonna move here. And I want to give dimensions to this side as well. I want to zoom out a bit, and then I want to give a dimension from here to here, and dimension from here to here, and I want to give my dimension from this side till here. Okay, the next dimension what I would like to give is I can go back into the smart dimensions, and then I can give dimension from here till here as well. So in this way we can give dimensions, and although there are different ways and there are different rules to give dimensions which we are going to cover in future videos. So in this way what we can do is we can quickly draw our first SolidWorks drawing. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.